In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on Google Drive in under a minute. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Google Drive website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once you're on the main page, look at the top right corner and click on the gear icon to open your settings. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings to access the full settings panel. This is where you can adjust different preferences for your Google Drive. Now, inside the settings window, locate the Appearance section. This is where you can control how your Google Drive interface looks. Under Appearance, simply select Dark, and the change will apply instantly. Your Google Drive will switch to dark mode right away, which can be more comfortable for your eyes, especially during long usage or in low-light environments. If you want your Google Drive to automatically follow your computer's theme, you can choose Device Default instead. This option will match whatever theme your system is currently using, whether it's light or dark. In just a few clicks, you've enabled dark mode on Google Drive. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.